Well, guys, good morning, everyone. This is Zach Harris here from the School of Financial Education, and today is the 9th of January, and it's coming up to quarter to 10, 9:35 in the morning. European markets opened at 8 o'clock. So, today's analysis day, guys, we are going to analyze the markets today. We're gonna look at some currency pairs, FTSE, and we're gonna see if we're gonna get any opportunity to enter a long and short positions this week. Now, just before I go further, if you're watching this for the first time, Happy New Year to you guys. Last week I have uploaded one clip which was our I think short trade on FTSE. It was a day trade. That's the only clip I have uploaded on our YouTube channel. So far we haven't done much trading just yet. However, we are looking for an opportunities to get involved into the market. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna analyze markets, and I'm gonna show you exactly where the FTSE is going, where is few currency pairs are going. So let's move on to FTSE chart. As you can see here, this is a FTSE chart here. On the right hand side, you can see the price. On the bottom of the chart is the time frame, and once I bring my cursor here on the bottom, you could see the date and time based on each bar. On the top of the chart, as you can see here, is the open, highest and lowest, and closing price is mentioned over here. Now guys, at the moment today is the 9th of January, and at the moment the FTSE is trading at 7228, quite high, in fact all-time high at the moment. Previously we had a really strong resistance level at the price of 7095, which was broken on the 30th of December, and after that, from that point, at the moment it rose up to 135 points. Well, what we believe is the market is due a reversal trend. At the moment, we don't see any reversal trend. Now, let me tell you one thing. There's one thing I want to tell you, that I have placed a short trade at the price of 7,100. I wasn't waiting on reversal trend. Simply, I placed a trade because the price was too high, and FTSE do always come back. As you can see here, every time they're all-time high. They probably go slightly higher, maybe 150 points, but then it always gives you a reversal trend. So at the moment I'm already in trade. It has turned against me 130 points, but I'm gonna stick by it, and I'm gonna wait for a reversal trend, and I know it's gonna drop back down to maybe 6,900, at least 6,900 or 7,000, whenever it's gonna take a turn. So that trade will turn into a profitable trade, I have no doubts about it. So at the moment what we're doing here is we're waiting on reversal trend, so we will have a clear signal in order to place proper short trade. I will add on more size onto my trade. So that's what's happening with FTSE. As you can see here, it was ranging in between 7,100 to 6,600, dropped down, then rose back up maybe for a couple of hundred points, then dropped back down again. Then at the start of December, first week of December, start rising. For last month it has been going up for a month and a half. We had only 2 days when the market actually closed below, which was the 12th and then the 14th. Okay, these are the 2 days then markets actually opened and closed below from the opening price. Other than that, it has been going up. So from actually 15th of December, it's been 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 days, 15 working days, the FTSE has been going up. It hasn't closed below. So it is, the FTSE is due a reversal trend, and I have no doubts about it. It will take a turn and will drop back down, and once it does, we will have a clear reversal trend, and people who haven't placed trades, they could see the reversal trend and they could get involved into the markets then and take an advantage of your reversal trend downward movement. So guys, that's what's happened with FTSE. So let me just move on to maybe a couple of currency pairs and see what's happening. So guys, we are looking at Euro versus USD now. Overall trend is heavily downward trend. It is not upward trend whatsoever. As you can see here, the Euro dropped heavily. That was the time of November when on the US elections, when it rose up to 1.131, and then but it still closed below, and since then we have the reversal trend. We are looking to get involved in a short position. As you can see here, we have a trend line there. The markets has gone well below, and it's not even coming near to your trend line. So whenever we get a chance, and once we see the markets gets back up to 1.076 or in around that price, we will get involved. At the moment it is not happening, so I'm going to move this line here, and hopefully within a week to 2 weeks the euro rise up and then it bounce from this point, which is 1.076, as you can see here, the price, and hopefully it's going to bounce from there and gives us a reversal trend. And if it does, then we will have a few 100 points gap that we could get involved into the market in order to place a short trade and capture a few 100 pips. This is the only really trade we are waiting on at the moment. Well guys, these are the two trades we are waiting on at the moment, and if you have any questions regarding our analysis or regarding trading, feel free to email me and I'd be more than happy to get back to you. Okay guys, have a great day and I'll speak to you soon.